Good morning, everybody. This is Jerry Berger with Farmers Insurance and another 3 minutes of Smart Selfie. Listen, this could very possibly be the most important financial message you will ever receive for your financial future. I'd like to ask you two questions to ask yourself. Number one, what are your limits of liability and uninsured motorist bodily injury on your auto insurance policy? And number two, how did you or your agent derive at these coverages? And if you cannot answer either one of these questions, please get a hold of your agent and sit down and go over this. This is why. If you're going to get sued in your lifetime, there's a very good chance it's going to be because you had an auto accident and you injured somebody. And this is the problem. If you're going to get sued, an attorney's going to take the case, and the first thing he does is he's going to do an asset search. And perhaps you have nothing to sue for, and I get this a lot, these questions. Well, what are they going to take? I don't own anything. Well, listen, especially if you are young and your spouse is young and you're both working, you don't even have to be young. But if you're still working, what the attorney sees is the ability to pay. And even if you have assets, a lot of times they cannot take a house, can't take your 401k, but they can attach those things. And they know that there's money there or equity there in a home. They know there's the ability to pay. So when an attorney does an asset search, I do the same thing when I'm sitting down with my clients. It's very important that I have a handle on my clients' assets so I know what to protect. Our liability limits start at $25,000 and they go to $10 million. And I can't tell you how many of my clients come in with $100,000 limits or less, and they've been told that those are great limits. And I can't stress the importance of this. And if you think about it, if somebody's injured significantly in an accident and they're life-flighted and they're going into intensive care, their coverage will have lasted maybe 2 or 3 hours. By the time they get in the hospital and get into intensive care, you've just exhausted about $100,000 worth of limits. So listen, liability is the cheapest part of your insurance. And too many people are so dependent on deductibles, thinking, I want low deductibles. Well, listen, that's not a very wise choice. If you get sued and you have a lien on your account, a lot of times you can't escape a lien via bankruptcy. And if you have a lien on your account, your insurance rates go up because you have bad credit. Your credit card rates go up. You cannot get credit. You can't finance a house. You can't refinance a house. And sometimes these liens could stay on you for the rest of your life. So listen, if you're concerned and you're still not sure about how much insurance you should have, please give me a call. And I will just, even if I'm not your insurance agent, I will give you some free advice to take to your insurance agent to go question them and raise limits and do what needs to be done to tweak your coverages. My cell phone number is 541-390-3675 and my home, office number 541-447-5209. Thanks everybody and have a great day.